How the doody? Good morning and welcome back to the channel. And we're back at the seaside still on the east coast of the Yorkshire Coast, and we've come down to Thornwick Bay this morning. The tide is just going out as well, so we're getting some nice streaking patterns, which is going to be the emphasis of this morning, I think, because we're not going to get a sunrise again. The last few vlogs have all been, yes, washed out with the haze and the clouds, and it's going to be the same again, but we're going to concentrate on the streaks that all this outgoing tide is going to leave, along with all these pebbles as well. We'll get around the other side as well. We've got a nice little sea arch at this side, and I'm sure there's a few caves at that side as well when the tide goes out. So come with us this morning, as there's not just me here. We've still got P.W. Baker, still got Daniel Bennett, Big D's just behind me, and we are going to make the most of this outgoing tide. Right then, peeps, we've got our first composition. Just flick you around. We're using this one singular rock just down here, just to anchor this bottom right hand side. Got the waves coming in. I've got the IS up quite a bit. I'm at 640 at minute. I'm on f16 and 1.3 seconds, just so I can get the texture of the water and stuff like that. I have got one or two just where it's a long exposure, but that's just not working because there's nothing else around this side. But the texture in the water, as it goes out as well, it's like leaving the white streaks and stuff like that. So a nice soft image. We are just getting a little bit of colour in the sky, just round the nab there. So yeah, hopefully we might just get a little bit of colour this morning to add to this first image. So anyway, for the time being, I'll bob these couple up for you, and we're just going to wait while this tide recedes round this corner, and we'll go around there. So yeah, I've got a nice big one just coming in, so I'll just check that. I've also got the time lapse going as well, and once we get over to that far side, I think I might even get the drone up around this little sea arch. So yeah, stay tuned because it could be an eventful morning this. Right then, peeps, I have moved round a touch from where we were. Show you around here. The water's just round there, Paul Baker's just round there, Big D's round in this corner. But I've just come round into a little alcove, just because we can see the tide's come, well, it's receding, but it's hitting the cliff's face here. It's coming round in like a swirl in this little bit here. I'm quite high up, so I'm not actually getting hit by the tide. It's just receding around that corner, so it's washing my footprints away that I came round with. But yeah, it's just making a bit more of a different pattern just around this side here. So I've come down to about a second on the camera now, and I'm just riding the ISO. So it is getting brighter. The colour doesn't seem to be happening. It's a very muted pink in the background. But we'll just see what textures we can get from round here now. Got another wave just coming there. Got another one coming in just now. As you can see there, it's all coming around this side. So I'm just getting another one up coming in. So hopefully I've got that just hitting this side of the cliff, and then it sends it round here in like a semicircle. So yeah, I'll bob a couple of these on next, and then we'll make a move around this corner once this tide goes out a little bit further. Right peeps, what I've done now, I brought the shutter dip speed down to about half a second. I've just spun round because we've got a pristine beach now at this side. Still using this bit of a cliff face just here, just to block the right hand side off because it is a bit messy, but we're now getting a streak all the way around and we're getting all the white cliffs around Thornwick Bay at this side. These are a bit of colour over the cliff tops as well, just around there. So the back of the camera, it's just there, look. So we've got this, when it comes in, the sea, I'm just waiting for it to come up to the highest part, and then I'm just going to ride this shutter a little bit, get the white foam action going around. Hopefully we'll get some streaks leading you all the way around that side. I've got the polarizer on as well, even though it's not doing a right lot, but it's just making me be able to get that 0.5 shutter speed now. It is getting a lot brighter. As you can see, we are starting to lose a little bit of the morning colour at that side, but we've got some over the clouds at this side, so we have got a bit of colour that we might be able to work with in post. One thing round at Thornwick Bay as well, even though there's 4 of us here, we're all shooting something different. We've all got our own ideas and stuff like that. We've got Big D, Daniel just here, shooting at me on this rock we got earlier. Paul's further on, and I'm round this corner just here. So we're all shooting something different. So yeah, but get out with a few friends and just come and enjoy photography with a few friends. What a crack we've had this weekend so far. Paul's going back today, but we've got another day of it, so yeah, all could happen. But I'm going to try and get around this corner. I've got some spare boots and that in the van, but we'll see. But yeah, I'm going to stay with it for the time being until we get around this corner and we'll get some more leading lines coming out. The other thing going around this corner is I'm going to lose the archway, because further you go around, yeah, it doesn't really appear. So, but from this side you can just see the archway there. Looks very interesting around here. So yeah, I'll pop a few more images up that I've got so far, and then we'll make us way around this corner. Right then peeps, I am now just come round this side. Just because using these rocks in the foreground just here, part of the cliffs, and we have got some paddle boards as well, just appearing. I don't know whether you better see this or not. Let's have a look. Just on the edge of the cliffs there. Whoa, that was a big one. So let me see if this other one comes in now. So I am, like now look, just getting the water coming over the rocks. So I'm at 0.5, well, I'm at 1/5 of a second now, just because it's getting brighter and the texture coming over. Yeah, it's get that bit of something. The rocks are glistening, so I'm using the polarizer now on that. It is a bit bright at the top of the cliffs, but I'll sort that out in post. And it is very hazy. So yeah, we're getting a little bit of atmosphere this morning, unlike the previous mornings down on the North Yorkshire coast. We have got a couple more rocks getting exposed. So yeah, I think it's about time we get over to that side and just see what else we can get. I have had the drone up as well, so I'll put a drone image up now that I got, but I'll leave all the drone footage until the very end, because yeah, we're quite interested with that one. Well, peeps, I've come for a little wander. I'll come off the path up there, come up here, and on the path, and now looking straight down the coastline, straight down there. Excuse me, I've got it on a vertical orientation. The sun is now just kissing this backside down here. But yeah, look at it round here. This is seascape heaven. And the sun's just kissing the side of the cliffs. So I'm going to take a few images from around here. Look at it round here. The sun is now up, looking straight down. Big D is just down there with Daniel. So yeah, I'll end with these images anyway. If you've enjoyed this, please give the old thumbs up. But yeah, if you come to Bempton Cliffs and stuff like that, just pop down to Thornwick Bay. Of course, it is absolutely stunning round here. It is seascape heaven. So yeah, I'll end with these final images. As always, please give the old thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. I know it's been a long time coming, these vlogs, but yeah, sometimes you just need to take that time out. So I hope you've enjoyed this welcome back. If you have, I'll see you on the next one. Enjoy this final drone footage. Bye for now. Do you know, like we said yesterday, peeps, about the Cumbrian bald eagle, its natural habitat? Well, he seems to have lost his wings. Love you! Go on, you can do it. Hey!
To boost your confidence, it's friends like these. Join the Facebook groups.
There you go.
Join the Facebook groups.
Friends like these, you can't beat them.